This is Kimberly Leong, and this is my final module for the course. So you can see there's a new section here, and we're going to go visit week 1. And this is the introduction to the learning module. Here's the actual learning module, and here is a follow-up. So this video describes a young lady learning to use the abacus.
5 numbers, addition only. Ready? Starting with 7,425,180,341,609, 40,236,412,000,000.
So you can see that video works. Now we're going to enter the learning module. And here are the introduction of 3 different types of abacus. And you can see the links here that end in JPEG. And the second page of this is learning about the pieces of the abacus, right here. And learning to use the abacus, you see there's another video right here that's a general introduction on how to use it. It's an instructional video. And then finally, a little more detail, doing addition. So there's 3 videos in a row, and they're all, well, 2 videos here and 1 in the previous, and they're all embedded, as you can see. And so when we come out of the learning module, at the end you can see there's this. It's a link to a Pinterest page where somebody has developed a whole lot of other ideas for working with the abacus. Thank you.